from the day you carried me inside. You gave your love, you gave your life. Every little heartbeat, every little smile. You walked with me every single mile, working hard from day to night, making sure my future would be bright. You gave me hope, you gave me dreams. You're stronger than you think you seem. Mama, you're my superhero. Your love will always be my home. Through every storm, through every rain, you held me close and eased my pain. Mama, you're my shining light. You made my dark days feel so bright. I'll sing this song wherever I go. Mama, I love you more than you'll ever know. You taught me kindness, taught me care, always showing love was there. You gave your best though times were tough. Somehow your love was always enough. You missed your rest, you worked so hard, still protecting me with all your heart. Every blessing that I have today started with your endless faith. Sometimes I forgot to say thank you in 1,000 ways. If I ever caused you pain, please forgive me once again. Now I know what love is worth. You're the greatest gift on earth. Mama, you're my superhero. Your love will always be my home. Through every storm, through every rain, you held me close and eased my pain. Mama, you're my shining light. You made my dark days feel so bright. I'll sing this song wherever I go. Mama, I love you more than you'll ever know. You're my superhero. Your love is the seed that helped me grow. No matter where this life may lead, you're always everything I need. I'll make you proud, I'll stand up strong, carry your love my whole life long. Forever grateful, forever true, Mama. This song is all for you.